Hi, I'm Michel Merrill, and today I'm going to do a review about the FeiyuTech Vimble 2. I'm very curious, I just arrived today. Because my wife and I both have Xiaomi smartphones, we first thought of buying a Xiaomi gimbal. We watched some reviews about this one, and we thought that the selfie extension pole is more for something for us because we want to do selfie shots. So let's do it! Today the FeiyuTech Vimble 2, so let's unbox it. It's a nice box, it has an enclosed tripod, and well, this is the back side. Apparently it comes in 3 colors, the pink, the white and the black, but I discovered that on the box there's another color, there's gray. This is my first gimbal. I've never owned one. It comes in a nice box with a handle. That's nice. That's also one of the reasons why we went for this one, because the Xiaomi didn't have a bag, a carrying bag. So this is ideal, and the Xiaomi didn't have a stand, a table stand, which I'm going to show you in a minute. Okay, this is the box. So this is what's inside. It's a very, very nice box. I like this very much. So let's see what's behind here. That's a charging cable, I think. Yes, it's mini USB to USB. There's some a further info, QR code, scan thingy. And this is, oh, this side is in English. This is a warranty card which you can fill in and send back to FeiyuTech. And this is the quick start guide, which looks something like, so this is all in Chinese, but here's the English side, and it explains all the functionality of the gimbal. Well, this is Velcro. This is elastic, so we take it out. It feels very professional, very sturdy. It's I've never seen a thing like this before. I wonder how it works, but that's something for later. I'm first gonna unbox it. So that's the Vimble itself. In here, I'm guessing this will be the tripod. Yes, it's a tripod. It's plastic. And it should fit into this. Yes. Somehow. Well, wait a minute. I'm gonna close it again. Yeah, that's better. This is also a reason why we went for this one, because it has a tripod, so you can place it on a table. So you actually I can do what I'm doing right now, making a vlog with the camera pointed at yourself. I now use microphone stands with a coupling, so this is very nice. It's very nice that it can stand on its own on a table. That's great. So I'm going to put this back. This is the box I'm going to keep it in. because it will stay better in the case. And there's something in here. I'm not quite sure what this is. Oh, these are the. This is a lanyard. Wow, that's excellent. Yeah, a lanyard. So you can put it in here. So when it slips out of your hands, it's still around your wrist, so it can't fall on the ground. That's excellent. That's excellent. So let's do a short review and about this thing. I have no idea what I'm doing, so let's give it a try. I have the instructions here. There's only one way a smartphone can be attached to this thing. Wow, that wasn't so bad. This should be in balance. So this is very heavy to do that. It's now in the Vimble. Well, I pushed this red button. Nothing happens. I had to hold it for a second. Okay, now it's on. Wow, this is this is really really something else. Whoa, it already feels very nice. I didn't connect the app. I'm first going to download the app and see if I can connect it to the device. I'm a little worried about the app. The app has a review rating of 1.9 out of 5, so that's a bit scary. I hope it does something I can use, maybe. Well, let's see. It reroutes me to a different app. It's called FeiyuTech. It says that the app that's inside, that's recommended in the instructions, is no longer valid. So I should take this one. Oh, it's the now they tell me I should use this one. Let's see what this one does. The scary thing about this app, it wants permission to use your phone, make calls, that kind of thing. I'm not very happy about those permissions. Let's hope it works out fine. It wants to make connection now. It wants to make connection, but it's not inside the gimbal, so I won't turn it on. I know that when I turn the gimbal on, it will go haywire and it can break. So I'm gonna put it inside the gimbal again. I'm gonna turn the gimbal on. Now the gimbal is on and my Bluetooth is on. Now there's a connection in the app. So let's see what it does. Wow, okay. I now have movement. It goes with me. I have no idea what I'm doing, but this already looks very nice. When I go up, it stays horizontally, and when I go down, it also stays horizontally. I have no idea about the functions, but I think it's a very, very nice device. So thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. There will be more videos about this device, but for now I'm gonna leave it at this. So thanks for watching and see you later.